Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check RAM in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. You have two ways to check RAM value in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First one is go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, okay. Then go to RAM and storage here, okay. Just click on it and here you will find RAM value. RAM value here is given 8 GB, okay. So 7.5 GB used, okay, RAM, okay. Yes, this is total RAM value here showing 16 GB. 8 GB is expandable only, okay. The basic RAM value is 8 GB. This is one method of checking the RAM value, and also you can check your RAM value through other settings. Go to the settings in your phone first, then go to about phone here, and here see RAM value 8 plus 8 is given here, okay. In this two way you can check RAM value, okay. In about phone section also you will see the RAM value, okay. Only 8 GB RAM value is the basic RAM, and another 8 GB can be expandable. So if you activate another 8 GB from internal storage, it will be extracted, okay. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.